In today's digital world, it is very important to have a financial stability when uncertainty is more, whether you are in a job, whether you are in a business, or whether you are starting up any new venture. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you yet another video of Moksh Lifestyle Hub. Financial stability, when we discuss, first of all, we need to understand like how we can leverage, how you can monetize our skill, our knowledge, because whether we are in a job, whether we are a working professional, whether we are a businessman, or whether we are a startup, or whether we are doing any contract job, in either of the cases, one thing you will agree to me that skill plays or knowledge plays a vital role. Because today, if you are in a job, if you are in a profession, whether you are a sales professional or accounts professional or a technical professional, or whether you are a project guy in HVAC industry, either of the cases, you are monetizing your skill and you are getting paid from your employer. Now the question comes, if you wanted to secure, if you wanted to bring a stability in your career, then you need to monetize your skill, where you'll be leveraging your skill, your knowledge, and ensuring that you are creating a multiple source of income. And in today's video, we will be discussing in depth and detail what are the ways you can utilize your knowledge and skill to monetize. So I'll take you to my screen share. First of all, we'll discuss the concept, and then I'll walk you through the entire process, like what are the activities, what are the processes you can choose it, which will help you to monetize your knowledge online place, and where you will not be leveraging more time. You'll have a more time, more freedom for your family, for your loved ones, for yourself, and you will be parallelly creating a multiple source of income. So as you could see on my screen, now we will discuss in a first step, like what is the concept. So first you need to understand that why do we, how you can monetize your skill and knowledge online. Because unless and until you are not clear about the concept, like what are the benefits you are going to get out of it, it becomes a very the hazy, or it becomes a very difficult for you to taking a call whether you wanted to monetize your knowledge or skill or not. So first of all, you have to understand, like when you will be monetizing your knowledge, you will be offering a valued service to your client, and your client could be anybody. Like your client, you'll be probably leveraging a product, you'll be selling a product, you'll be providing a service, you'll be selling a contract, whether you'll be maintaining equipment, or you'll be monetizing your skill with the content. When I say monetizing your skill with content, we will deep dive and understand like how you can monetize your skill and knowledge, uh, producing a content which will be related to your HVAC business, related to your skill, related to your knowledge, and that will help you to create a multiple source of income. That will also help you to creating uh, financial freedom, where you will not be only dependent on your employer. You'll be also parallelly creating a more revenues, where you'll be having a more time for your loved ones, for your for yourself. So when you'll be leveraging your knowledge and skill, then you'll be creating a multiple source of income, as I told you. And it will also help you to maximize or create a more impactful sale. Because you will agree to me that, and each and every video I keep saying that, if in your business, money is the scorecard, and if you are improving your sales, whether you are in a profession, whether you are a sales professional, if you wanted to optimize your sale, if you wanted to increase your profitability in the organization where you are working, or whether you are a business, either of the cases, if you'll be monetizing your knowledge, monetizing your skill, this will help you to taking your game to the next level. So the basic concept, to sum up, I'll say, like when you'll be monetizing your skill and knowledge, whether you are a professional, whether you are a expert, whether you are a business, either of the cases, you'll be offering your solution, you'll be creating a multiple source of income, leveraging your solution, and then you'll be impacting and maximizing your sale. So to do that, here I'll be discussing with you some strategies which will give you insight and which will help you to understand that, like, what are those ways where you'll be doing it, what you are doing it. When I say you'll be doing it, what you are doing it, if you're a business, HVAC business, you will agree to me that most of the time you'll be running, doing firefighting, and you'll be trying to meet up your client expectation, meeting up your organization expectation, and you will not have a time for yourself, you will not have a time for your family, and you'll be literally doing a firefighting to meeting up your monthly requirement, meeting up your desire. So these steps, if you are going to follow, these are the strategy which you'll be following it. This will help you to showcase your expertise, showcase your knowledge, and this will also help you to create a multiple source of income where you'll be leveraging your skill, leveraging your expertise. If you're a working professional, you can utilize it either in your profession where you are working, and you can see to it, it will be helping you to upscale your portfolio, where you'll be getting elevated in your profession. And if you wanted to have a second income parallelly running in, then you can utilize these skills and then you can do it. So in first phase, you have to you can do a consulting service. So when I say consulting service online, you'll be basically doing it a HVAC system efficiency and design. This is basically prominently applicable to the people who are in a project business or who are a direct business owner in HVAC industry. So you can leverage your skill because I do not know what level of you are in your business or profession. So this is prominently applicable to the people who are in a project job. So there they can work out with their clients online, and they can attract them to creating a design or installation process, and this will help them to monetize their skill, where they can leverage their skill to getting the source of income. So they'll be doing it their prominent job, and parallelly you can have a system design where you'll be online consulting your clients or businesses, where you'll be providing a solution and you'll be leveraging your skill, where you'll be making a money. Now, second thing comes is training and education. See, you can leverage your skill, you can leverage your knowledge, and you can create a program in and around your knowledge and expertise. And when I say this, these are the area of these are the specific field where you can create your if you are in sales and marketing, if you are in advertisement advertisement department or marketing department, if you are a project person, if you are a technician and contractor, accounts and commercial guy, logistics guy, either of the division you are in your organization, you can build up a program which is online program based on your expertise and knowledge, and you can formulate and you can have a program running which is automated one. You'll be keep doing your work, what you are doing it. You can have a more time for your family, you can have more time for your loved ones, you have more time for yourself, and parallelly your students will be online learning on their own space, because you will be recording these programs and you will be putting online, and probably on weekends you'll be just having a 1 hour call where you'll be discussing with your students and trying to understanding their issues and problems, and you'll be giving a solution. So this is the one training and education which you can utilize it as far as your knowledge and skill concern. Now, third point comes is freelancing HVAC technician and contractors. See, when I say freelancing HVAC technician and contractors, you can probably utilize an online page where you'll be working with a platform like Upwork, Freelancer, Thumbstack. So these are the platform will help you to consult online, not only at India level, you can consult on a broader level, like you'll be international market, you can consult with the people where they require assistance as per your knowledge and skill, and you can just guide them online through these platforms, and you can create a source of income. So if you are not good in creating a training and education, if you are not good in consulting as far as, or if you have any issues where you are working and you are thinking like your employer will have always objection like why you are doing it second line job, then you can do very well online like Upwork and freelancer platform where you'll be internationally guiding people on a holidays, and you'll be collecting a money and you'll be leveraging your skill and knowledge. So this is the one platform which you can utilize it. Now you can do a content creation also, like you can create a blog related in and around your topic, what you are good at, what you are doing at. You can create a YouTube channel, you can create a podcast where you can create a content and you can showcase your expertise and knowledge, where you can monetize these blogs or channel or podcast, where you'll be getting a recurring income coming in month after month, and you will have a consistent flow of income coming in apart from the salaries or business whatever you are in. So content is another factor which you can consider it as far as the strategy is concerned. Then fifth point comes is maintenance contract. When I say maintenance contract, you can always, if you're in a service oriented field, if you are a business, you can always leverage online platform where you can acquire more, you can reach a more broader customers, you can reach more broader audience, and then you can leverage your expertise and knowledge, and you can able to back the contract, maintenance contract. So this will also help you to increase your business, increase your portfolio. So maintenance contract is the one place. Then sixth and last is comes a referral program. See, you will agree to me that like you are in a HVAC business where you will be regularly interacting with the interior designer, architect, builders. So you can always have a always have a collaboration where you can always have understanding, like they can refer you a client, and in turn you'll be paying them some commission, some margins, and you'll be bagging your business, getting your lead, getting your inquiries, which will help you to increase your sales, because ultimately I keep saying is revenue is the scorecard in the business. So unless and until you do a sale, it becomes very difficult for you to sustain. If you are in a business, if you are in a job also, it becomes very difficult because you will not be achieving your target. So running these strategies, these are the few strategies I have chosen it, and this will certainly help you to create a second line of parallel income. Because if you wanted to have a stability, you do not know today the employer who is loving you, tomorrow he will love you the same way. So you need to have a backup program where, because you have to take care of your loved ones, you have to take care of your family. So when you have to take care of your loved ones and family, you cannot run two different jobs parallelly. So what you can do it, if you are in a job, if you are in a profession, you can keep doing it the same work what you are giving maximum time, and you can leverage 1 hour time from home, comfort of your home, and then you can create these programs which will help you to create a recurring income month after month for you. So I hope I have given you a lot of insight on what are the ways and means where you can create a multiple source of income, and what are the ways and means where you can be financially free. You will not be, your family will be secured, you will be secured, and you will not have any hassles as far as the future concerned. And the way you'll be working it out, these structures, this will help you to taking your improving your business and taking your business to the next level. And if you are in a business, then business will, you can apply these skills and knowledges to your business, where you can improve your business. So creating a digital product, creating this system, leveraging the system will always help you to enhance your reach. It will also help you to enhance your sales, and it will make sure that you'll be securing your future for a the lifelong. So I hope I have given you a lot of insight, like how you can create a multiple source of income, how you can create, leverage your skill and knowledge. And in my program, what I do normally, I help you to I help you to discovering your skill, discovering your knowledge, and based on that, I help you to how to create a digital product which will be attracting more customer, where you can have a customer for life, and you will be ultimately automating your entire process. So when you'll automate the entire process, what will happen? You'll be keep doing your work, and through automation, through the process, through the system, your students will be going through your program, going through your processes, and you'll be just spending 1 hour time from comfort of your home, and then you'll be leveraging the entire process and system. So I'm giving a link here. If you wanted to bring your business online, and if you are expert professional or a working professional, and if you wanted to leverage your knowledge and skill, you wanted to create a multiple source of income, you wanted to have uh, a secured life for you, for your family, where you wanted to have more time to be spending with your loved ones, and you wanted to have a more time for you with a secured and happy life, then you can always connect with me. I'm giving a link here, is prafulvarma.com. You can connect me. You can see the available slot. I normally give a 30-minute consultation, which is absolutely free. You can consult with me, where I can guide you. I can understand your challenge, and I can give you a expert advice which will help you to taking your career, your profession, your business to the next level. And if you like my topic, then please do share with your friends and colleagues. If you have not subscribed, then please do subscribe. And if you have not pressed the bell icon, please do press the bell icon, because I'm keep on producing lot of HVAC business related or sales related or personal related videos, which will be helping you to taking your current situation to the next level, where you'll be having a more fulfilling life, where you'll have a more time for yourself, where you'll have more time for your family, and you'll be ultimately making a auto mode money, where you'll have a residual income coming in month after month. So with this note, I'm closing my video here. See you with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless.